Installing a processor Neptune core module. If there are any memory modules installed in slots 9 to 24 or 41 to 56, remove them. Hold the handle on the cold plate carrier and gently insert the hoses into the opening on the rear of the chassis. Insert the processor Neptune core module into the processor socket. Fasten the thumb screws to secure the cold plate assembly. Push the anti-tilt wire bails outward until they engage with the hooks in the socket. Fully fasten the Torx T30 nuts in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate label. Fasten the screws until they stop, and then visually inspect to make sure that there is no gap between the screw shoulder beneath the heat sink and the processor socket. Turn all the plungers counterclockwise to the unlocked position in the removal sequence shown on the carrier label. Remove the cold plate carrier from the processor Neptune core module. Connect the leakage detection sensor module cable to the connector on the system board assembly. Install the riser filler. Install the risers. Install the cold plate covers. Install the fans and fan cage. Install the rear top cover. Install the front top cover.